How to create CRA account online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to create CRA account online. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.cra.gc.camy. Now, select the language you want to access the web page in. You will then be led to the official web page of Government of Canada and then tap on the Sign In button on the top of your screen. You will then see the option for CRA My Account. Tap on that. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and go to option 2 and tap on the CRA Register option. Now, go ahead and enter your social insurance number, your date of birth, and then enter your tax information and tap on the Next button. You will now be asked to create a CRA user ID and password, creative security questions and answers. Enter these details and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to create your CRA account. So, this is how you can create CRA account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.